Okay, so for your culminating project, we learned in the liftoff task that the arrow C was shrinking, and then we came up with some questions and we made a concept map. And what the challenge is for your culminating project is to find an area anywhere in the world that has limited amount of water, and we want you to make two things. You're going to make a video, and you're going to make either a presentation or an article. I'll leave that open for you to choose. But you will make a video and you will make an article describing the place and saying what the problem is. Now that's really simply stated, but what you want to do is you want to go through this culminating project document that I've assigned to you, and you want to read exactly what it is that you will be doing. You will pick and research a location that does not have access to a lot of fresh water. Using what you learned about Earth's processes and changing states of matter, your job is to figure out a way to make more water available to this region that you've selected. So you're going to select a region that doesn't have water, then you're going to try to figure out how can you provide water to this region based on everything that we learned in all of our tasks. So you don't have the answer yet, but as we do each of the tasks, at the very end, you will be doing this project. You will have a week to work on it, and this paper is what you want to look at to do your culminating project. I have given you video criteria. What are some things that I'm looking for in the video to give you a grade? And then in this box, I'm giving you a digital article criteria for success. What does your digital article, either in a presentation form or maybe in a flyer, whatever way you chose, needs to have all of these bullet points that are in this box. And this is your culminating project. So I urge you to read through it and see what exactly you need to do. And that's it for your culminating project. You can always email me if you have any questions or ask me in class. Thank you. Pause. Stop. There it is.